nigga Bernie Mac's a fool.
Words to live by.
Live out, son.
I'm gonna go to the club now. Let's do it.
You going into yourself, bro.
Yeah, I'm back. Feel me? Yeah. I was always told to be myself, cause if people don't like you for who you are, fuck them. See me, I'll never try frontin'. If I got it, then I'm stuntin'. If I don't, then it's nothing. That's just the thought process of this young nigga, staying in school just to get my funds bigger. But we all know school is just a process, so I gotta get good grades as I progress. Met a few good people I can mob with. Met a lot of chicks that I don't put the time in, cause I don't really see the point in the chasing hoes. I'm a nigga that's really into chasing goals. I'm more like Ovechkin or a Messi, Sidney Crosby or maybe Wayne Gretzky. Y'all niggas is more like a Tiger Woods. You see when chasing hoes could get messy. That's why I just try to focus on me, cause I ain't changing for the likes of another human being. But the point is just to be yourself. If you a hater, hate, just be yourself. If you a baller, ball out, just be yourself. Don't let another nigga tell you that you something else. This go out to all my ladies that are ambitious, and fuck all them hoes that be claiming that they bad bitches. Cause no one wants a dumbass bitch that get determined to something 8 times 6. First 48, damn she be killing them. Could never be wife cause her brain filled with helium. And now she stay getting high, higher than the ceiling was. Feel the fit in, what's be happening with most of us. No point to fit in when we all meant to stand out. Live your own life, fuck what others plan out. And honestly, most people rather take a handout than work hard and accomplish all the things that they plan about. My dream for me, not these other people. Man, I don't write this shit for these other people. Man, I don't act a certain way for these people. We all flawed, so I see it as we all equal. My name Trey Tucker, and that's who I plan to be. When people blow, they tend to lose their identity. And knowing me, I probably drop my wallet cause the flashes of the paparazzi. But the point is just to be yourself. If you a hater, hate, just be yourself. If you a baller, ball out, just be yourself. Don't let another nigga tell you that you something else. But the point is just to be yourself. If you a hater, hate, just be yourself. If you a baller, ball out, just be yourself. Don't let another nigga tell you that you something else.